I'm going on a cruise in exactly 6 days, and I admit I have a pre-cruise ritual. And that pre-cruise ritual includes a couple weeks before my cruise, I start to look on Amazon for some of the things that I think I might need. Now, I always do buy, or almost always, a new dress. In this case, I bought two new outfits that I'm going to share with you. But I also found some other things. They are absolutely genius, and I have to admit, I do wish I bought them sooner. Hi there, I'm Ilana from the website lifewellcruise.com. Welcome back to my channel. Now, right away, I'm going to mention to you, if you are somebody who does not like Amazon videos or getting new things for cruises, don't watch this video. It just isn't for you. But I will definitely see you in the next video. Now, other people who do like sometimes looking at, is there something new that maybe I might find useful or I might like? I think that you will enjoy this video. Now, I did want to share with you these sort of cruise essentials, a couple of things that are pretty cool. I also have one item, and it is before the holidays that I am sharing this video now. So if you have children or grandchildren in particular, but even for yourself, but I think that you may like this item. Now, I am going to keep this video pretty simple, but before I get started, I did want to mention that if you like this video, if you find it helpful, informative, or enjoyable in any way, then please do give this video a big thumbs up. I really do appreciate it. And please subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. Let's get started. So the first thing that I got is this hair tools organizer case. Now, truthfully, I have seen this for quite a few months on TikTok. It's like one of those viral kind of products. And I was like, really? Do I need that? But I really do like to keep organized, especially I like to have certain pouches in my luggage. So I tried this. I like it. This mat, by the way, you have this sort of bag for your hair tools and your hot tools, but this here lays flat like on your counter of your bathroom and or on your bed, wherever you are. And then you can put your hot tools right on it, so it's heat resistant. So that is pretty cool. In here, you can see you've got all of these little pockets. So, you know, I can put hair ties, you can put hair clips, bobby pins, whatever. Even if you want to put something like safety pins, you just want to keep this as a like an organizing bag, this would work. Now, I did want to show you this. This is not a blow dry brush, but it's sort of a curling iron type brush. It's very soft, very easy to use, but you can make these flips on your hair, and instead of using like a curling wand or a curling iron, this really works quite well and gives you sort of that blowout look. Now, I will show you the dress that I'm wearing now. So I decided to buy, I have a similar dress that's in sort of a royal blue. That's usually my color. I love blue, but I wanted to get a bit of a different color, and I bought this in pink. I absolutely love the tone. This dress is so comfortable, so it can be worn like over a bathing suit. It can be worn on shore excursions, even for embarkation day. Anything you want. Technically, you probably could even dress it up a little bit in the evening time, and it has pockets. Now, I wasn't going to mention this, but I did also buy shorts. Now, this is a true story. I was telling Frank, I'm like, oh my gosh, I really do need some shorts for my next cruise. I know most of the time I'm in dresses, but I do sometimes like to wear a pair of shorts. So, and I realized when I went to the mall, of course, I live in Montreal in Canada, and it's all winter clothes. So he said, why don't you buy shorts on Amazon? So I did try some shorts, and I really like these. Like the length of them, I think it's a 5-inch seam. So not too short, not too long. And really they fit quite well. And I think they could even like be dressed up with a bit of a nicer top or dressed down with a tank top. Now, this is something that is new for me to bring on a cruise, but I did share it in a recent video. So my apologies if you have seen that already. But this is sort of a water hammock, and this is inflatable, so it's a floaty. And then you've got this sort of hammock part. You could even twist it so it makes it smaller, and you could sit inside it. I think it's really cool. I saw some people use it on the private island when we were on our cruise, I guess about 6 weeks ago. And I vowed, I was like, I am going to get one of those. And I bought a package of 2 so we can use them on our next cruise. Now, by the way, all of the items that I am mentioning in this video, I am going to have them all linked down below in the description of this video in case you do want to check them out. I might also pin them in the comments so you can take a look there. Now, I rebought some of these, and these are basically silicone bottle covers. So for some of the different bottles of items that I'm going to bring with me, I'm going to use those. Those work really well. Now I'm really excited to use this hanging organizer. Now it's very similar to the hanging shoe organizer, except that it is a little bit shorter, and I'll just show you, like at the bottom, the size of the pouches down at the bottom are a really nice size. So I do think it's very convenient. I'm going to use it on my next cruise. But one of the reasons that I bought it is I was taking a look at compression packing cubes. I already have a set. I have a set in pink. It is right here. I just like the pink, but I wanted to get some new packing cubes because I wanted to get some for Frank. So this is a set of packing cubes in black, and it did come with that hanging organizer. So I'm pretty excited to give that a try. Please let me know if you use a hanging organizer. Please let me know down in the comments below, yes or no. A lockbox storage safe. Now, truth be told, I bought this really for you, or at least for the Lifewell Cruise community, because I know a lot of times people ask, what can I do to keep my items safe, either when I'm on a cruise or especially when I'm like in a port of call, maybe at the beach. So many people recommend this lockbox safe. And by the way, here, I'll just show you how much room. I was surprised how much room is in here. All right, so I got that open, and it has a combination as well, but you could see how much room is here. So anything that you want to bring, maybe it's a phone, maybe it's a passport, maybe it's other items that are just important, maybe it's a wallet or money or anything like that. You do have your combination, and you would just attach it on your beach chair. Now, by the way, if you're planning your outfits for a cruise, and in general, if you're trying to keep organized, I do have the Lifewell Cruise Ultimate Cruise Planner. The Lifewell Cruise Ultimate Cruise Planner is a 47-page downloadable printable cruise planner that you could use to keep organized from the time that you book your cruise all the way through embarkation and disembarkation, so that you do not forget a thing. Now, of course, it includes cruise packing lists, but it also includes cruise checklists for embarkation day, for disembarkation day, for planning your outfits, and more. Now, if you are interested in seeing what's included in the Lifewell Cruise Ultimate Cruise Planner, I'll leave all of the information linked down below in the description of this video in case you do want to check it out. Now, I did buy another dress. I decided to buy this one in black. It's an off-the-shoulder style, but it really is quite casual. Now, you can definitely dress it up. I probably will a little bit by changing the shoes in the evening time for a wedge, you know, putting a little bit of a handbag with it, but it can be worn in a port. It could even be worn off the cruise ship, even like for pre-cruise or anything like that. And I like the fact that it's not super long, so it's sort of a midi style, and I personally do like that for the day. Oh, and I should mention it is available in a lot of different colors, and I might just try to buy it in blue. Now, isn't this the coolest thing? Now, if you saw my flight essentials and my travel anxiety video, then you'll have seen this, but otherwise it's nothing that I've shared before. This is genius. This is actually like a magnet, so you can put your phone directly on here. I even have a case on my phone, a clear one, and it holds just fine. And this way, when you're on an airplane or anywhere else, you can just tilt it and you can watch whatever you want. It doesn't have to be that you like look down or look up and your neck hurts. And then it does have this part right here, and it's pretty easy. You just open that up to clamp right onto the tray or anything else. This beach bag, I have had this beach bag already in a different color of blue, but it's a few years. And even though I've washed it, it's in overall good condition. I did feel like I wanted to get something that was a brighter white now. I like the size, which I find is really good for a cruise. Now, I have one more item to share with you that I'm really happy that I'm bringing with me, because I'm going to be packing much lighter on this cruise. And then I will share with you that other item that I do think would make a particularly good gift, but really at any time of the year, it would be good. I'm just thinking about it now, and I bought it for that reason. But it is this toiletry holder. Now, this is just a little bit different than my usual hanging toiletry bag, which I still love. But I am going to be using this one because I am going to be packing or trying carry-on only. And these pouches can be removed. So it's really handy to pack into your luggage and to be able to put these different pouches, like one into your personal bag, which is what I'm going to do for my flight. So I have kind of my personal self-care items together, but you can place them in all different places in your luggage, and I think it is pretty space saving. So what do I think makes a great gift? Well, any cruise essential, of course, and I will leave a list of cruise essentials, or even actually better, I'll leave a gift guide down below in the description of this video. But I did want to show you, if you have not already bought this, it is the Captain Hudson books by Emma Cruises. I think a lot of you know Emma, so she has written these books. They are really good. So I'll just show you, like, there's obviously the written portion, but as well, there are some activities and areas that you can make pictures. And it really is like for kids that are going on a cruise. They talk about like seasickness and just other things that you might, want to be prepared for on a cruise. A lot of questions that people have are right in this sort of workbook, coloring book that I do think is absolutely amazing. A lot of fun. And of course, you've got Captain Hudson there. Now, I almost forgot to mention, a lot of people have been asking me about an electronics case, in particular, an electronics case that is a little bit smaller. So I bought this one. I really like it. So you can see how compact it is. And it's got a zipper with two sides. So you can put some of your items on one side and, your chargers, wires, etc. And you can put other items on this side. And it really is just a nice size for everything. Now I'm going to leave all of the information about the LifeWell Cruise Ultimate Cruise Planner linked down below in the description of this video, as well as all of the different items that I did show you in this video. Please let me know, are there other things that we should be bringing on a cruise? Let me know about any of the new finds that you have found. I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, please do give it a big thumbs up. I really do appreciate it. And please subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. Bye for now and happy cruising.